Project code ITIMP36. Project title: hiding the confidential message into the image using bitplane method. So our aim of the project: send a secret message into sender to receiver without a knowledge of mediator. So here we used a hide a message into image. This is our text. Here we hide text into the image is a sender side, and hide a key like 1 2 3 4 5, and use the bit plane number like 0 to 7. With the help of this bit plane, you hide the text into the bit plane text. This is the sender side, and the receiver side. They give an input in same number 1 2 3 4 5 and get the text and select the bitplane number, finally get the text. This is a process. Okay, so in the encryption decryption model, we are using the irreversible method. So in existing, they use it in reversible model. So what is the reversible model? So in the reversible model, some errors will be there, prediction errors, and the models are first of all LSB modification. So and next histogram slicing, and next difference expansion. So these are the techniques drawback from the reversible method. In the reversible method, they are used only in the most significant prediction value. So there is a no LSB prediction in the output. So next here existing drawbacks. In the existing drawback is a not secured. So also accuracy is less. So in our proposed model, we use it in bit plane extraction. Here we used 0 to 7, 0 to 3 for MSB prediction, 4 to 7 for LSB prediction. MSB is the most significant bit, and LSB is the least significant bit. So with the help of these values, you will be hide the text into the image. In our proposed advantages is a secured and high accuracy. Secured data cannot theft. So in existing techniques explanations, first one is space representation. Second one is reversible embedding. And third one is stream encryption. So first of all, this is the image. Next, convert the images into the discrete form, and next add the text into the image. These are the process in existing system, and finally the text will be there. Select the text or the image with the help of stream encryption. Our proposed model same, like first of all you taken an image, and next add the text into the image. So here we used in LSB and the MSB prediction model. So black diagram. So in the black diagram I will explain clearly. First of all, you taken the input image, and here we do in some pre-processing like gray conversion, and next add the text into image and select a bit number LSB or MSB, and next here data encrypted in decrypted, they select same bit number and password. The text appeared. Application, so is a military applications or medical applications in a confidential transmission. These are the applications for the encryption, decryption. In future, in future, they use yeah new algorithms. Software MATLAB 2018A. In the MATLAB is easy to learn, and it consists many toolbox like deep learning and machine learning toolboxes. So OS 64-bit is important to install the MATLAB. Conclusion, in the project to send a secure send a secure message sender to receiver with the help of bit plane extraction. Thank you.